Hey guys, thanks for stopping back by for part 2 of my Dollar Tree haul. If you want to see what I picked up, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Yes, I still have on the same shirt because like I said in the other video, this was a large haul. So let's get into it. Alright. So, since I had mentioned in the last video that I have not been able to find toilet paper, I picked up some tissues. I guess we could use that if we run out. I was gonna get probably about 6 of them, but the Dollar Tree has a limit of 4, so I only got 4. So I'll put that in my stockpile. You want to see that? Let's see, what else did I get? Okay, that was, I already showed y'all that. Sorry about the reaching. That means I got too much stuff. How many of you out there have to hide stuff, sneak it in and put it in your closet? Well, I used to do that, but now my husband beat me to the punch. He look at my trunk well, after I get home sometimes. Like, let me see what you did now. Okay, so these are 10. I guess 10 pods. They should be 10. It says 10 loads. These are the Fab Spring Magic fabric detergent, laundry detergent, I mean. So I thought, let me give it a try for $1. Won't hurt. My grandson mentioned something about he wanted some bath bombs. So I just picked up this Spa Naturals. It's vanilla and coconut. And it has 3 bombs in there. So I'll give that to him. And then I picked up, you know, like I said, you can't find toilet paper anywhere, and so I've been collecting different things that I think we will be able to use. And I saw this is 64 wipes, so I got 2. This is for Sesame Street, and it's free and clear baby wipes, so they should be okay. Just can't flush them. That's gonna be an issue. I hope we don't have to do that, y'all. Look, and then I got these Ultra Brights, the 10 in the pack for my dishwasher. They do okay, but you gotta wet them sometimes, otherwise they won't. Well, maybe it's my dishwasher and you open it in the darn tab, but they ain't even clean nothing. Now this is new. This might be the only new thing I found. This is the White Rain. It's 3 bars. Purely, it's hypoallergenic, dye-free, paraben-free. It's a fresh scent. Mild and moisturizing. 3 bars, guys. Look at that. And why do I want to get 1? I don't know. What I'm thinking. Let's see. More cleaning items. Like I told you, I pick up these sponges. This is the Scrub Buddy Nail Guard. You get 6 in a pack. So it's running the glow on those, because I don't like my sponges to get dirty. And then they had a bonus with the Sure Fresh 3. I haven't tried this one before. For some reason, the ones that I use, I don't know why, the tops become missing. This one is 5, so I got the square, the 5 Sure Fresh. So I picked up that. Let's see. Look, I don't even remember what I bought. It was like a kid at the candy store. Okay. I haven't tried this before, but I'm going to put in the freezer. It's Strawberry Banana Nectar. Jumex. This is a 33.8 fluid ounce. So I'm going to put it in the freezer and make like a slushie. I'll let y'all know how it tastes. Then I picked up 2 more of this Kraft Original Barbecue Sauce. Because it's getting warm, so we can cook on the grill a little bit. Sorry about reaching. I might have to actually get up to get to the last couple bags. Let's see, hold on. And look, my hair tore up. I only got about 4 strands left, and you know, it look like I got something swooped to the side. Alrighty. Okay, I got some more of these Cafe Moro. Yeah, Cafe Moro. I picked up 4. We like this espresso. So, like I said, we drink it as coffee instead of espresso. So I got that. And then I got a bag of these 48 forks. I'm going to take that back to work so I can have some forks. The worst thing about getting too much at the Dollar Tree is you got to put all this mess away. But I'm going to share y'all, maybe, if I get a chance, my pantry and my little stockpile. Okay, I don't know why. I guess I was trying not to be greedy, but the Dollar Tree Crafter Square had these 12-piece magnetic buttons, y'all. So I got 4 packs. They're stuck together here. I got 4, and if you follow me, you know I collect decorative tins, and I display them in my laundry room. Matter of fact, be sure to check out the video. I'll link it down below and maybe at the end card of how I upcycle tin cans and decorate them in my laundry room. And so now I have a tin can, nice collection in there, and every time I see a new one I pick it up. So I picked up 2 more of the Sweet Mates. You know, I always get those. And then I couldn't find baking powder anywhere in the grocery store, so this is, hold on, I can't see. Carlin's Finest Double Acting Baking Powder. This is a 8.1 ounce, pretty good size. So I was glad to find that. So I think this might have been the last one on the shelf. So I snatched that up. And then I guess me thinking I'm going to run out of food, picked up another can of porky beans. I'm going to show you what all this mess look like on the floor after I'm done. And Crafter's, and I don't know if this is Crafter Square, but I picked up 2 5x7 canvas. I'm trying to paint something, and what I was trying to paint did not turn out right. So I'm gonna dock it up. And this is Catatina Mix. This is beer nuts. Look, it's got a pretty packaging on it, and it has let's see, a distinct flavor pairing of guacamole, black bean, chili, lemon, and sriracha with our original peanuts in one festive mix. So we could eat that for Cinco de Mayo. And then I saw these Galen, Meturating, Fine Food, sun-dried tomatoes. So let's see. This is good until, I can't tell. Oh, I think it's still good to April 2022. So only thing is you have to refrigerate it after it is open. Now this comes from Turkey. I don't know about that, y'all. It might be alright. Okay. What else, y'all? I know I got some more mess because I was like, what in the world did I buy? I think after this, I might got 1 bag, y'all. Thanks for sticking with me on all this. But I figured if y'all can't get out to go to the store, I'll share what's out there. Now look, guys, this was an awesome find. 64 fluid ounce. It's diet. It's Old Orchard Healthy Balance, pomegranate, blueberry, and Aussie flavored reduced sugar juice cocktail blend from concentrate. Look how big this bottle is. So I got 2 of them. I'm gonna put in my pantry. Okay. All right. I think this is the last bag, y'all. Oh yeah. Darn, I'll be forgetting what I get. I think I already got one of these, y'all. This is the Spick and Span. I had one in my kitchen. I had the purple one, and it disappeared. I think it's in the other bathroom. This one's 22 fluid ounces, cuts through grease and grime, and it's an antibacterial spray. So I use this to spray my counters. And then finally, I think this is it, y'all. Let me check. Yeah, I believe this is the last bag. Appreciate y'all sticking with me. This is 48 fluid ounces. This is Pine Glow, and this came with 20% more. Antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. So look how big this bottle is. I normally don't get this. I mean, I guess it's probably much the same as the Pine Sol. And I can't smell it. It's got a seal on it. But anyway, I could probably also use this for the flies too, y'all. So, if you like this video and you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. I enjoy sharing what I do around the house. And don't forget to come back next time. We'll probably do a couple other things, like I may go cut some flowers and show you what I get out of my garden. And then I may, like I promised, well, I didn't promise, might show you the pantry. Okay, see you next time. Okay, y'all, I was putting this stuff away and I realized I forgot to show you. Here's my 4th thing of, might be toilet paper, tissue. Then I picked up these Maxi Thins, this 16 count. And I figured I'd show you before I put it away, since I still had it out. This is a denture brush. I've not seen this before. I'm going to use this for cleaning, y'all. I think it'll make a good cleaning brush. And then I got a soft battery powered toothbrush. I'll give that to my grandson. And then finally I found these drain stoppers. This is for kitchen, bath, and laundry, and you get 2. So I'm going to try it in my kitchen because the one I have in there didn't seem to hold water very long. So I'll let you know if this works. Okay, that's definitely it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Take care. Everybody be safe. Bye.